right now, we're kind of in the middle of Stornoway, just along the water. And there's signs leading everywhere, even to the toilet. So we'll look around here. Can you read that? Is that a word? Okay. So everybody wants a picture here. Looks like people chip away at that guy. Anyway, I'm going to head on down around the bend. There is a narrow street. We're going to come back on that. And I think we counted 8 churches and a mosque in town on the map, so probably not going to get to all of them. Harris Tweed, only from here. Only from the Hebrides. We're right there. I blew it. There's lots of iron. Fisherman statue. So we just walked from that way around this street. Still in Stornoway though. Truck says, or the sign. Is the Empty House Traders. You can see the Thorley guest house up there, but I don't see a name on this. Story room? That's what that little orange sign says. Statue. Stornoway Historical Society. And there's a Harris Tweed store or office. Head up one of these streets. What do you think? Well, we're going to go in here because they're open today. Those are cow stickers. Scarves. And artwork. Photographs. And loud music. So I have to dub that out. Telephone box. Anywhere. Crochet. Your crochet. Another person selling clothes. Hey, the stones. Stones. So this is Point Street. Wait. This guy's daring. There's another one of these signs. So we're going to go up Main Street. And I guess cars can get on here. Super Drug. McDonald's. Well, W.J. McDonald. Yeah, stumbled back there. And the Hebridean gift shop. Brought to you by Ortac Jewelry of Scotland. Wait, McDonald's food place. So it is McDonald's. Oh. Hello. Hiya. I see Janet down here. Oh, these are big stores.
This is so great.
She's in the non-bank. I think they think they have discovered something new. And but because it's very popular right now. Yeah, I like that.
Oh. Food truck. I guess not. This is a movie theater, maybe? And Martin's Memorial Church. That was our day in Stornoway, Scotland. Of course, the castle's over there. Town is right there. And then all these people came here because they wanted to ride the shuttle bus back. And that's like the only thing I don't like about Stornoway is the line to get back on the shuttle bus. Now, of course, we could walk the 2.5 miles back to the ship. We've already walked 5 miles today. And we had some beer and fish and chips, and I don't want to walk back. So we wait. Of course, I think all the buses are at the ship, so in a few minutes all the buses are going to be here, right? So from Stornoway, Scotland, I'm Gareth, and that's Janet. See you in the next port. Bye.